Today we will be taking a look at 11 gadgets that'll turn your bathroom around. With no further ado, let's dive into today's video. Just hit that subscribe button and ring the bell notification. Don't forget to smash the like button. Number 1. TETRA SOAP Ergonomic Soap Bar. Gone are the days of dropping the suds thanks to the TETRA SOAP Ergonomic Soap Bar. This uniquely designed bar looks anything but. Taking the place of the ugly off-white brick currently by your sink, the TETRA SOAP has a tetrahedron shape. Looking like a jack, this bathroom essentially is wonderfully ergonomic. It fits perfectly in your hand with its 4 points. In addition, this shape ensures that the soap won't slip from your hands no matter how wet it gets. Furthermore, TETRA SOAP dries very quickly. While helpful in giving it some grip, it also ensures your soap dish doesn't turn into a soap scummy mess. This ergonomic soap bar uses all natural ingredients such as myrrh, sandalwood, olive oil, coconut oil, and more. Plus, these ingredients also keep your hands nourished and moisturized. Number 2. Colgate Optic White Advanced LED Teeth Whitening Kit. If you're showing off your pearly whites with a transparent face mask, now may be the time to brighten them up with the Colgate Optic White Advanced LED Teeth Whitening Kit. And you can start right now because this totally mess-free kit works in just 10 days. Use it for 10 minutes a day over a 10-day period, and this tooth whitener can make your teeth 6 shades whiter. Simply try on the device to make sure it fits, and then charge it up before your first use. You'll get whitening serum for the whole treatment. Spread a vial each day on the top and bottom row of the LED whitener. Once you've spread the serum, just press the button to turn the device on and then place it in your mouth. Colgate Optic White is so easy that you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Number 3. Body Scrubber Skin Exfoliator. The Toiletries Body Scrubber Skin Exfoliator provides deep cleansing and optimal exfoliation for all bodies. In fact, it'll leave your skin feeling soft and rejuvenated. It's a great alternative to your current rough pumice stone and is easy to use. This isn't your typical skin exfoliator. Featuring silicone bristles, this bathroom essential is gentle on your skin and leaves long-lasting results. With 100% silicone construction, it's easy to clean and is antibacterial to prevent nasty buildup. Also, its ergonomic handle makes it easy to use on your body. Simply add your preferred body wash directly to the scrubber, then massage onto wet skin for the best results. After use, stick it to a tile so it's easy to access for your next shower. Number 4. Good Papa Smart Toilet Brush. Keep your porcelain throne clean with the Good Papa Smart Toilet Brush. This intelligent gadget keeps your favorite seat in the house free of bacteria. Harnessing the power of a TPR brush head, it makes keeping your toilet shiny and clean an incredibly easy task. In fact, this smart toilet cleaner has a non-stop battery life of 1.5 hours. That's probably more than you need to clean your toilet, which means you can use it for every bathroom in your house in one session. And it charges via USB-C to easily integrate with your other gadgets. What's more, its speed of 300 rotations per minute means that it gets any grime off your toilet. Using UVC sterilization at a wavelength of 270 to 285 nanometers, the Good Papa has just one button that allows you to control everything. Finally, when you're done, just set it on its base to self-clean. Number 5. TOELECT Automated Toilet Bowl Cleaner. We all love having a clean home, especially a clean bathroom. But many of us hate having to use harsh chemicals that can be damaging to the environment to do so. Say hello to the TOELECT Automated Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This automated toilet bowl cleaner is chemical-free and utilizes salt instead of standard cleaners. The automatic system is designed to keep toilets clean, sterilized, and deodorized using electrolysis water. Additionally, it kills germs and bacteria, and it even removes those gross stains. TOELECT is easy to install on any toilet tank. All you have to do is place the device on the edge of the toilet water tank, put the tank lid back on, and connect the power adapter. Your TOELECT will start working immediately, operating every 4 hours. What could be easier? Number 6. WYZE SCALE Body Fat Analyzer. The WYZE SCALE Body Fat Analyzer measures your lean body mass, body fat, and heart rate. As a result, it provides you with a complete picture of your health. Most importantly, the WYZE app lets you make sense of these metrics. The app compares the data to the recommended levels for your age and gender. Therefore, you won't have to guess what this information means for your health. You can also monitor your progress via the app, making it great if you want to adjust your body fat. You don't need to be tech-savvy to operate the WYZE scale. Instead, you can see the key information via the clear LED screen. Finally, you can share the scale between 8 users, and it will save different accounts on the app to allow everyone in the household the opportunity to track their health. Number 7. NASONI VINCI Water Fountain Faucet. The NASONI VINCI Water Fountain Faucet cuts down on bathroom germs and water use. With multiple green certifications, this eco-friendly faucet fountain dispenses water upwards. It shoots water up like a fountain instead of into the bowl of the sink, reducing water use. This flow makes the water more accessible for rinsing your mouth after brushing your teeth, for example. Additionally, it'll make it easier to take in some water when swallowing your morning vitamins. You can replace the cup you keep on your counter that you might not wash often enough. Made entirely of lead-free brass, this Italian-inspired sink drinking fountain embodies beauty. With high-quality components like ceramic disc valves and a PVD finish, this bathroom drinking fountain will be an impressive addition to your home. Number 8. POSEIDON Smart Mirror. You must have come across a lot of smart mirrors, but the POSEIDON Smart Mirror stands out by being customizable. You can not only customize it to sizes both big and small, but also flip the orientation to either landscape or vertical. There is also the option of choosing between different lighting setups, different color frames, and more. You can easily use the different modules to make this mirror more like yours. Some of the most prominent features of this mirror include a multi-touch surface, an ambient light sensor, a touchless frame where you hover your fingers above the glass, different color LEDs, and so much more. The setup also includes a motherboard with a Qualcomm chipset, USB, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet. All in all, this is more like a smart mirror with a computer. The prices, however, vary from $3,000 to $6,000 based on which modules you choose to add. Number 9. BIC Smart Shaver AI-enabled razor. The BIC Smart Shaver AI-enabled razor gives you more information than you've ever had before about your shave. Designed by Next Big Thing, this wet shaving tool is much more than it appears. It may look like a typical 5-bladed razor, but the BIC Smart Shaver actually captures data while you shave. You'll get information on how dense your hair is, how fast you shave, and how much water you use while doing so. Furthermore, you can even keep track of how dull your razor is and how many strokes you use while going through your typical shaving routine. The razor obtains stroke information, sending it to the cloud, where an AI tool analyzes it to provide you with these details. Currently, this cool shaving tool is open to product testers. Number 10. GIDDEL Toilet Cleaning Robot Kit. Effortlessly maintain a clean toilet with the GIDDEL Toilet Cleaning Robot Kit. This device systematically cleans areas in the toilet that are difficult to reach. Likewise, GIDDEL effectively scrubs the rim, bowl, under the rim, and down the exit. By moving in a circular and wavy motion, it covers every area of the toilet. Additionally, its telescopic arms fit inside small toilets and easily extends to clean larger ones. To use the robot, simply remove it from its charging station and connect it to the mounting bracket. Once you have applied the toilet bowl cleaner to the bowl, just press the start button for the magic to happen. Featuring a portable design, the robot can clean as many toilets as you want. Finally, the GIDDEL Toilet Cleaning Robot Kit comes with a free toilet seat. Number 11. KOHLER NUMI 2.0 Intelligent Toilet. Change the way you answer Mother Nature's call with the KOHLER NUMI 2.0 Intelligent Toilet. Combining comfort and entertainment, this clever toilet seat boasts impressive ambiance thanks to built-in surround sound speakers as well as mood lighting. Yes, you heard that correctly. Now you can set the mood when it's time to go. Like something from the future, the NUMI 2.0 even works with your voice. With a single command to Alexa, you can start your favorite playlist and set the lights so they're just right. If that wasn't enough to get things moving, the NUMI 2.0 is complete with a KOHLER Pure Warmth toilet seat. Never again will you have to endure the cold seat of the toilet on a late-night trip to the bathroom. Thanks for watching, and make sure you click the subscribe button below.